In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Chrome history quickly and easily using a simple Chrome extension. This is a great method if you want to back up your browsing history, organize your research, or save important websites for later. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's jump straight into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser and click the three dots menu. From the menu, hover over Extensions. In the Extensions menu, click Visit Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the official Chrome Web Store where you can find the extension we need. Now, in the search bar, type Export Chrome History. When the extension appears in the results, click on Export Chrome History to open its page. On the extension page, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then ask you to confirm the installation, so click Add Extension to continue. After the extension is installed, you'll want to access it from your browser toolbar. To do that, click the puzzle icon near the web address bar. This icon shows all your installed extensions. From the list, click Export Chrome History. The extension interface will open, and from here you can choose the time frame for the history you want to export. You can select a week, a month, a day, or even forever, depending on how much browsing history you want included. This is useful if you only want recent activity or if you need a full archive of your browsing data. Once you've selected your time frame, choose your export format. You can click Download as CSV if you want a spreadsheet-friendly file, or Download as JSON if you want a structured data file for more advanced use. After that, the file will download to your computer automatically. From there, you can open it, save it, or use it however you need. And that's it. You've now exported your Chrome history in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.